For this video, I will show you how to remove an account on MS Teams Mobile. First, go to your profile icon on the upper left corner. Then, click on Settings. Now scroll down until you see the Sign Out button. Click on it to remove your account. But if you want to remove multiple accounts all at once, what you need to do is to go to your phone settings, search for apps, go to it. Now, search for Teams. Then go to Storage, and you can clear data or clear cache so that you will be able to remove your accounts on MS Teams Mobile. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon